It is already known that the Russians started their indiscriminate strategy of bombing civilian targets in Ukraine, after learning that they cannot match the Ukrainian army militarily. But after the initial shock, Ukrainian air defense quickly adapted to the new Russian strategy. So the Ukrainian General Staff is revealing that the occupiers fired 239 cruise missiles and 80 Shahed 136 drones at Ukraine in November. According to them, the Ukrainian Air Defense Forces managed to shoot down 72% of the missiles and 80% of the drones. And that's an impressive score, even for most of the NATO countries. And Ukraine is fighting back. Russian-held Donetsk is being targeted by Ukrainian artillery. It is reported that the Department of Internal Affairs is being hit.
А? Все машины, блядь. Да, все машины, блядь.
The heavy fighting in Bachmut is continuing, where Russians are trying to advance with little success. This is the video of the failed Russian attack at Bachmut near the petrol station. Respect for the skilled Ukrainian artillery soldiers. Some pretty decent hits during the night in Bachmut. And the update from our friend Macer Gifford. A confession before you turn in for the night.
I wanted to make a quick confession. Before I do that, what I will say is something like 50% of the target for the Christmas fundraiser has already been hit, and it's only been like, what, an hour or something? That is absolutely amazing. Tomorrow I am going to get a wood stove, a wood burning stove. I'm also going to get a large generator, and it's going to be for this house right here. It's going to be a real boon for us. It's going to be a boon for the entire battalion. People can come here, they can heat themselves up, they can charge their phones, and it's going to be a bit of a morale boost for the team. So I can't thank you guys enough. It's absolutely amazing to hit this this target so early on already. The confession I wanted to say is literally about 20 minutes ago. I noticed someone say underneath my post something along the lines of thank you, like thank you for all that you're doing out in Ukraine. And I must say, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart, being in Ukraine, being a soldier of the 131, the 131st Separate Reconnaissance Battalion, is one of the greatest honours of my life. For those of you that don't know, I'm a British volunteer with the 131, fighting in the south, and I cannot put into words or articulate the pride that I feel in being in this unit. As far as I'm concerned, I'm repaying a debt. I'm repaying the faith that the Ukrainian people have put in me. They placed a rifle into our hands as international volunteers. They said, we're fighting the good fight. We're fighting for our country. We're fighting for Europe. We're fighting for democracy. And if you're willing to fight alongside us, we'll trust you and we'll allow you to do so. And that faith is what I'm repaying. So being in the 131st is the greatest honor I could possibly imagine. And being in Ukraine is a true honor, and it's something that I'm incredibly proud of. So although you can thank me, and it fills me with pride as well, the real thanks goes to the people who have put their faith in us, and that I genuinely feel that way.
The 1st Low Ground Border Guard Brigade, named after Alexei Wolfovich, is present at the front.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.